Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a magical mask Monday. And we have a special guest, Heidi, my daughter, who you've all heard about and never got to meet before. So she's never done a sheet mask, face mask before. So it's going to be her first time. We're going to talk a little bit about what happened to Heidi and her journey so far. And with that being said, I'm going to put her face mask on first, and this should be interesting. So stay with me. We are going to be using the, I already opened it, Hydrate Facial Mask by, it has hyaluronic acid. It's by Spa Life. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And this is for hydration, because we need hydration. It's going to be a little cold, Heidi.
It's a little bit cold.
Sometimes they don't want to unfold. Alright, now this is a face mask. It's not going to hurt you.
Yeah.
It's going to feel really nice on your skin.
It's very nice on my skin.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright, find your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit cold, huh?
A little bit of cold.
There we go. It's going to make your skin so nice.
Mm-hmm.
You almost look like one of your monsters that you love so much.
That's what a monster hides.
Alright. I'm gonna try and sit here.
You're trying to sit here.
Yeah. It's a little hard on the butt.
You have a little bit of talk, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of a talk. Let me get her face mask on. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I mean, it's been a little awkward. As you can tell, I'm downstairs in Heidi's bedroom.
Yeah, in my bedroom.
Yeah. Heidi's bedroom is on the first floor because she does not do steps. Alright. I'll just wipe that on my pants.
Just wipe out on your pants.
Okay. I'm going to scooch in a little bit and sit on your chair. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe your arm a little bit.
Okay.
There we go.
There you go.
Alright, so this is Heidi.
My name is Heidi.
Heidi's 39 years old. She'll be 40 in July.
5 years old in July.
Okay, don't repeat. And around March 1st, we started noticing that she was not walking normally. She was kind of walking hunched over. And we asked her what was going on, and she just said she hurt her back. So fast forward to March 8th, and I heard her yelling for me. And I came downstairs, and she was unable to walk or make it to the bathroom. And I got her up into the chair that she's sitting in now. And me and my fiance tried to get, fiance, tried to get her out the door and was unable to do so. So we had to call an ambulance. Me and Heidi spent the night at the hospital. And during all the tests that they ran, the MRI picked up a cyst on her spine. It's called an arachnoid cyst. And it is a spinal fluid filled cyst. You can look it up. I'll leave the information down below. And she had to have laminate surgery, which is removal of bone, on L2 and T12. And the cyst needed to be drained and contained. So, not cancerous. It's kind of like, if you know what diverticulitis is, like how your intestines make little pockets and it fills with it can get irritated.
Mm-hmm.
Same kind of situation. So, towards the end there, before April 6th, she went from walking around
Mm-hmm.
to walking with a walker to barely being able to stand. Towards the end, before her surgery, um, it was everything I could muster to lift her to a standing position and get her on and off um, the potty chair.
Mm-hmm.
Now, she is walking around with the walker still. She's doing her exercises. She's improved greatly. She's able to get up and down on her own at night to take herself to the bathroom. I'm still here in the bed in the dining room, which we're probably going to move soon. So I'm back upstairs, and she has some independence and put the dining room table back so she can do her puzzles and fold her laundry and stuff like that. What do you think of this face mask?
What do you think? That's a face mask,
Is it
honey.
nice?
That's nice. That's beautiful, honey. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's very cold.
It's cold.
It's
Yes, it
okay.
is. All right, so these face masks are to be on for 10 to 15 minutes. Um, I don't even know what the date is today. Oh, it's April 24th. Tomorrow's my mother's birthday. She'll be 73 years old. I had very young parents. They were 15 and 17 when they had me. And they did get married. And my father went to Vietnam. So that's a little bit of background.
Mm-hmm.
Heidi Joe is my oldest child of four.
Mm-hmm.
And she has a brother, Kurt, and a stepbrother, John Jr., and a sister named JC, who lives in Houston, Texas.
Yeah.
Kurt lives here where we live, and so does her stepbrother, John. Heidi has a cat named Luna.
Mm-hmm. So cute. So excited.
Right now, Heidi's still in the hospital bed that my husband Matt got for her from a friend of his, which we are so grateful because hospital beds are expensive. We're still waiting to see if her insurance will cover a shower bench, like a transfer bench, to make it a little easier on her back. Right now, she's on a 5 pound weight limit for 4 more weeks, and then that'll increase to 8 pounds. But they're saying that she won't be completely fully healed, the back surgery part, for 6 months. So she has to take it easy, no lifting, but she's allowed to walk around. She's allowed to do activities of daily living, washing her face, taking a bath, and stuff like that. You're so quiet today.
Mm-hmm. It's really great today.
You got camera shyness?
I could come to straight on this.
Yeah? Okay. So,
Mm-hmm.
with that being said, we are up to 8 minutes. We're going to make this a short video. We're going to continue to wear our face mask and then do some skincare. I'm later going to be doing a look for the Brewed Beauty collab. I'm going to pre-film it so I can upload that. So, until next time,
Until next time,
we'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
You be safe.
Be safe.
Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content.
Okay.
Hit that notification bell
Hit that confirmation bell.
so you know when I upload videos. And until next time, we'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.